I'm inspired by Kundai Chitima. So today I'm saying people of development, because Mr. Kundai says people of the internet. So since I'm following some development that are taking place in Zimbabwe, I'll call you people of development because you are following my channel, and I want to thank you so much. Today I'm also in Marondera, Mashonaland East, Zimbabwe.
Right. So now I am at the construction site at Mashonaland Tobacco Company in Marondera. I think you can hear the sound of the dozer, the heavy duty machine there. I follow where there is development. So the development is taking place here in Mashonaland East as province of Zimbabwe. And I'm very happy about Marondera, that this is a building that is being modified, reconstructed, given a new shape. So I'm touring today. Whole day I'm here in Marondera. So I believe that you're going to enjoy a lot seeing some development that are taking place. So if you want any development, get in touch with this channel, Mr. Leonard. You will see some developments, you get motivated there, you get inspired there, and also at the same time, you can link up with those people who can help you to bring development. This is a yellow machine. This equipment does not just come, it comes where there's a serious business. So if you want serious business, get in touch with those people who are doing this one. I think many people ask me, um, well, you have in this place, how can I get land there? So if I go out to a place where there's development like this one, um, I think it is good also for you to get in touch with this company that is doing this project. This is a Shenkio construction company that is eh, that has started in Karoi, Mashonaland West Province. Now, as they earlier alluded that they are going to be doing some projects all over Zimbabwe, and I believe that they are going to get some jobs even outside Zimbabwe, but they'll be representing our country. And I believe that since we have got good people, good engineers in Zimbabwe, as I talked to you about it when I mentioned about some of the companies that got the tenders to do the Mbudzi roundabout. That these are Zimbabwean companies, and also this is Shankyo Construction, one of the Zimbabwean companies that are doing marvelous projects in Zimbabwe. Also.
Now I am with Mr. Mchadinyika, the director of Shenko Construction, and he is going to lead us on the tour. Let's hear from him the nature of project.
Beams. This gate, we are to relocate this gate, right? Here we have demolished or we have deconstructed to construct. Deconstructed to construct. So we will remove this gate. This gate, that's why you can see here is the same size.
Okay.
The windows, we will remove this window. No longer wanted. So we just remove this gate, including all its accessories and the rail. Then we'll put it here. Yes, we'll put it here. Yes. Then
So,
yes.
this whole project,
Yes.
how long do you think you are going to? How much time do you need to complete the whole project?
Yes, we have started on the 15th of December, and I think by 31 January we'll be done with this project.
Really?
Yeah, only maybe housekeeping issues will be done for a week. That is from 1 February to 7 February. But in terms of the actual construction, I think will be done by the 31st of January next year, 2025.
Okay. Yes. So which means how many days in total?
15 plus 16 days plus 31. 16 plus 31, that's 47 days. 47 working days, excluding Sabbaths. We don't work on Sabbaths.
Okay.
We're working Sundays. Why? Because we are behind schedules. Shenko Construction is, I said earlier on, it's a Christian fearing, it's a God fearing company. Yes, so we don't labor on the Sabbath. Sabbath is the rest for the Lord.
All right.
Yes.
Okay.
So what's next on this one, on this building?
After we have constructed the walls and put the gates, right, we will be inside now.
Okay. What is needed inside here?
Why are we doing the externals right now? Because we don't want the rains to affect us. Because no one will be having control over the God's law. That's force majeure or vis major, which is a cataclysmic event, doom fatale beyond anyone's control in construction. So here we will not be affected by the rains.
All right.
We'll be doing concrete screeding here.
Okay.
Screed, keeping the joints. No, not using quarry dust or river sand, but only the 4mm stones mixed with the cement and the water.
All right.
The bigger machine is already gone.
Which one?
The dozer D8.
All right.
Yeah, a Kate dozer D8. We started off with a Kate dozer D8 to move the soil, the topsoil, and also removing a big musasa tree which was there.
Okay.
And also for demolishing those concrete slabs which were there. We deconstructed all those using that big machine. So it's now gone. Then followed is this one. This is a motor grader.
All right.
It's a Kate grader. So we are using this one. Or we used this one after the dozer. We then used this one to reshape the road bed and also for scarification. Scarification is a process whereby we prepare the existing regolith, the saprolite in salam, before compaction by a tandem steel oscillator roller. This one.
All right.
Yes. Then this one, after we have created a road bed, right? Where now the gravel is sitting, you can see this is the road bed. Yeah, a compacted road bed. Why do we compact? So that we create a solid foundation. A solid foundation of the road.
All right.
That's why Shengel Construction, its mantra is to create the quality that stands the test of time. So we are giving also this road the foundation that will stand the test of time, such that the warrant period after construction will be 15 or 10 to 15 years.
Okay.
Yes, without repairs. So this is the roller tandem. We are using this one to vibrate. You can see it's a very big machine. This one, 15 ton. 21 ton. Yes. This one. Yeah, it's a big machine. This one.
When it is rolling.
When it's now compacting.
It is exerting 21 tons.
The force is great. Yes. So that's the roller that we are using. So Schenker Construction is not a mere fictitious persona, but you can see how big Schenker Construction is. So these are very big machines that we are using. Look how we have dumped the gravel.
Here, the project is not small. It includes two main jobs that need to be done. One, on the reconstruction of that warehouse, and also construction of two access roads that connect to the main municipality roads.
We have used calculations. So the dumping distance, it was 6.36 meters. That was supposed to be the spacing. But now, to compensate, we've just said, no, let's reduce the spacing. So we've cut the 360 mm or 36 centimeters. So this is now 6 meters, 6 meters. So after every 6 meters,
there's a dump.
You can see a dump of 15 cubic of laboratory approved gravel. This is what we call laboratory approved gravel.
Okay.
Is the gravel that is passed the geotechnical tests ahead of the road construction. So we are not just doing things in a lackadaisical manner here, but as usual, you know my language, we are following the fastidious et delicatessen
yes.
way of doing the jobs. Yes, and also you can see the type of our cons traffic.
Which
you
one?
can rarely get these ones. These ones.
Okay, to block
Yes,
the
these
roads
ones.
when you are
Yes.
doing your work.
Yeah, there are also
Okay.
bins because you ask us of a rubbish bin. You can also use this one.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
so it's a two-in-one thing.
All right.
Yes, so that's
The road.
the road.
This one is
the
the exit
entrance.
entrance
Yes,
again.
we've got two entrances. This
Oh.
one and also that one.
Okay. So
Yes.
you demolished the gate
Yes,
there,
we demolished the gate.
the walls to make a
Yes,
gate.
the Jura, we are putting the new gates there. So these are the tattered remains of the Jurao.
From the Jura.
So these were here, these precasted. So we carefully removed them. Why? Because we want to use them again.
All right.
Yes, we want to use them again so that we save money. We don't want to buy those. We want
Okay.
to use those ones. So the director, Shengo Construction, and he's my big brother.
All right.
We grew together.
All right.
He is my mentor. When you are seeing Shengo Construction, he is the mentor of Shengo Construction. He's the man behind everything. Yes.
All right.
So, right. So this is the road. We are dumping here. We are dumping here. So these are the demolitions done so far. We are going to put those very colossal gates there, and we will also construct a beam, not a lean-to, was of the length. It's now a beam was it's something like 5 meters wide. Right. So this one is equal to this one. Right. So this will be the road. Right.
So this is where trucks are going to do some deliveries here.
Yes, here.
Okay.
And the forklift will be lifting the bales or the goods off the trucks.
Oh, so this is the road.
Yes, this is the road bed.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry.
So when are you expecting to start doing compactions?
Today we are to finish off the dumping, and tomorrow or tonight possibly, if we happen to have time after the dumping, we'll start to level the ground. We'll start to spread the moisture. Then we start to mix. Mixing is a process.
You mix gravel.
Yes, gravel in the water, gravel in the water.
How do you mix you on
Using
the?
a grader.
All right.
Yes, we'll be using the water bowser for application of the moisture or water or tudo. Tudo, that's water. That's the Greek for tudo. And also the grader. So the grader will be following after the bowser. Grader, bowser, grader, bowser, grader. Such movement, such movement.
So you create like mud.
Yeah, not mud as such, but in Sifu, we just need the gravel to have the optimum moisture content.
Okay.
Such that when you roll it in your hand like this, it will not be too stick, yes. But it will just form a ball like.
All
thing,
right.
yes. So we'll know that compaction will be done properly.
All right.
It's forming a ball. But yes, we'll apply a little bit of the moisture so that we increase the bombardment of the particles.
All right.
Yeah, but this is good gravel. Without water, it can form a ball like this. With only the antecedent moisture. When we are talking of the antecedent moisture, we are talking of the moisture that is already in the what? In the soil. Yes.
Okay.
So that's antecedent moisture. This is good gravel. Shingle construction does not deliver different materials to its customers. No, we make sure that we give them the best. You can see also the loads. The loads, even if you check, they are just uniform and
Right.
they are good. Yeah, and we don't rush. No, more haste, less speed. The orange mushroom is not fetched in haste. We move fast but slowly.
All right.
Yes, we move fast
But not
slowly.
rushing.
Yes, we don't rush. We don't rush. Yes. Otherwise, we don't rush, but we crash. By crashing, I'm not saying we are killing the quality of the job. We are moving the job fast. That's crashing. But not killing the quality of the job. That's crashing in production.
Okay.
Yes, in production terms. That's crashing. The fastest way of doing a task, but not compromising the what?
Equality.
The quality. That's why you can see our trucks are running with a miraculous speed. Taking the gravel, coming back, forth, back, forth, back. So we want to finish this section. I think here.
So after mixing, then
Yes.
you
Then
do
we
compact.
compact. Then we compact.
I see.
Yes. It will be grader, roller. Grader, roller. Where water is needed, grader, roller, pauser. Grader, roller, pauser. And so forth.
I would love
Yes.
to see.
So you can see that big stump. It's a tree that was up there. So the doors are removed. All those, they were removed by those.
By
All
the-
those.
Uh-huh.
Yes, and we demolished also that side.
So that one is an exit.
Yes, that one is the exit.
So these are pumps.
Yes, those are water pumps. Very powerful.
So you can draw water from the river using these pumps.
Within 15 seconds.
Huh?
Sorry, 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yeah, we can fill all these tanks in 15 minutes.
Whew.
Yes, very powerful water pump.
Then when you're applying water, you use also pump.
No, we don't use pump. We use the spray lenser. Let's go there.
Okay.
Yes, we use the spray lenser.
Oh, so it's not just a common bowser.
It's not a common.
It's a construction bowser.
Yeah. So it sprays from here. You just open the tap, then the water.
Okay. Okay. That's the mechanism.
Yeah.
All right.
So that's it. In the construction of the roads, water is very, very important because we need water to moisturize the gravel so that we add the moisture and achieve the optimum moisture content. That is the OMC. That is the OMC, and also we end up achieving 98% moderated ashto. That is the compactive force.
So you use water when you're doing compaction?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Even if it is raining, yeah, we add water.
Again.
Yes, antecedent moisture is not enough for compaction, but applied moisture can solve all those problems. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, so you brought this big one.
Yes, this.
Why brought this one, this big one?
Because we are not small. Just because we are not small.
Okay.
Yeah, because we don't want to play games with such big companies. So we bring indivisible equipment like these ones. Yes. It's very unfortunate that we came after the dozers that we deployed back. Otherwise, it was here. That's where the concrete slabs they were here. Right? Two here. The other one.
Oh, there were some slabs here.
Yes.
You removed them.
We have removed them using that dozer. So because the work was heavy, and that's why you can see this all this rubble. Yes.
Uh-huh. I want to prove to other continents that you can do also these things as Zimbabweans, and we don't want less people when it comes to these machines. It needs serious people, serious business. This is what is taking place. This is a big job that needs to be done here. So these guys are busy. They're doing a marvelous. Look at this one. It's a big bowser. As Mr. Mchanika earlier alluded, this is a big Bowser for big projects. I asked why do you brought this big project, this big Bowser? And he mentioned that this is a big project and also is a big company. And we need also big machine, big equipment so that we represent our company, which is not a small company. Um, I'm so happy that as Zimbabwe, we are doing all these things. And these companies are owned by black Zimbabweans. And also the workers, the operators of these yellow machines, the managers, the engineers, directors are Zimbabwe. This is so amazing, right? So we need to support each other, and also the number is available on the screen there. If you have got any project that is that you want this company to do for you, get in touch with Mr. Mchadenyika and the team. Believe that you will be happy and you will be smiling.
This very big warehouse has got a total floor area of 1,250 square meters. So
Okay.
it's
not a
not
small
an
thing.
easy task.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not an easy
Yeah, it's
task,
not
and you
easy.
need to manage very well
Mm-hmm.
this job.
Yeah.
We also paint
The
the
walls.
walls, yes, inside and outside. We
Oh.
paint. We leave this warehouse in a lucrative state.
You are going to remove the whole part of roof.
Not the whole part, but only on damaged areas.
Okay.
Then here, we exit the big warehouse. We come to this part. Hi, gentlemen. So this area will construct a canteen here. We'll build a canteen.
Oh, this is where canteen is coming.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll build a canteen here. Right. This one will close and remove this gate.
Okay.
Yes. We'll also close and remove that gate.
So you're going to put a wall.
Yes, we are putting those precasted dural plates,
Yeah.
into their posts. We'll put them here because they
Oh,
are of equal size.
I see.
Yes. So construction is about the mathematica of the construction.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. We'll put those ones here and remove this gate, and we'll refurbish or repaint it and repair it, and we put it somewhere there. And also this one, we'll make use of these gates. We are not going to throw them away, but we'll just move and relocate them. Yes. So we'll close here. We'll close here, including this grating. We'll close here. This grating, we'll put it there on the road,
Okay.
so that the vehicles will have traction on top of this,
All
not
right.
disturbing the drainage. But so these two big ones,
Uh-huh.
right? They are 5 meter, then 3,650 mm
Uh-huh.
high. So we'll put them there where we have demolished those areas, this one and this one, to make them two. Then these new gates, was want to give this property the shape that it deserves. We've produced this. You can see how strong they are. Very strong, very beautiful. Shingle Construction used its natural dexterity, prowess, and ingenuity to make these gates. So Shingle Construction can construct good jurals,
All right.
yeah, for the high class and elite organizations. As you can see, these are good, but this is a half-done job.
Okay.
We will not keep this color. We'll give a green color or a black color. These ones will use green.
All
Why?
right.
Because we are just following the pattern of our employer. Their gates are green, so we just follow that.
Okay.
Yeah, their roofs, they are of a sandstone beige color.
All right.
That cream-like color. So we use that one. You can go also to Karo, you see that one. Here you see it again. So these are the dural gates. We put them on entrances.
Okay.
Yeah,
Those
because
two
they are new,
entrances.
yes. So that their environment will be a welcoming environment. a small job now.
Uh-huh.
We need to do the repainting.
Here.
Yes. And,
Okay.
to refurbish it here. We'll just put a partition.
Okay.
Partition here. Maybe there will be what? I don't know. We're saying restroom, something like that.
All right.
But I will confirm again with Mr. Seston's,
Uh-huh.
Seston consultants, the ones who did the structural drawings,
All
and
right.
the orthographic drawings of the work that we are doing here.
All right.
So we work together with the consultants.
Uh-huh.
Shingle Construction does not work alone. Yes, it's the project that was awarded to Shingle Construction, but it was designed by Seston's consultants, a group of engineers, and it's for the employer, Mashonaland Tobacco Company, under the arms of Alliance One International.
Okay. Wonderful.
Yes.
Okay.
We are also into structural. That's why also in Karo you can see we are building a very good structure. And also here there is structural job. We are also into geotechnical. So those are the services that we provide a single construction. So you can see this drainage up there, the V channel that is up there from where our vehicle is parked at Rover. So you can see the drainage. Water drains downstream like this. So here, for us to enjoy this road, this council or local authority road, we'll put culverts here.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll put a pipe culvert, 100 millimeter precursed pipe culverts shall be laid
Here.
in a proper way, right, linking the mouth and the spigot properly,
All
right,
right.
and also putting mastic. We will put mastic of bitumen binder 70 over 100. That one can stand the test of time.
Okay.
We don't use cement for mastic as shingle construction because we know cement we have some problems of cracking, etc. But that material bitumen as binder, it's a good material for mastic.
All right.
So we will lay this culvert and construct a very good bell mouth.
All right.
Very good bell mouth such that the trucks will turn properly without any disturbance.
Okay.
And that culvert will put the wing walls and the head walls. So this one shall be our inlet where water is flowing from.
All right.
Because water will be coming up there
Uh-huh.
downstream. So that's the inlet. That will be the inlet of the pipe culvert.
Uh-huh.
And here, that will be the outlet of the pipe culvert. And we will also put the road signs. Entrance, 10-kilometer maximum speed.
Okay.
5-kilometer maximum speed.
Uh-huh.
Right 10, left 10, then exit. We will allow for good drainage. So we'll build here and we'll reinforce and we'll concrete. Then on top, we'll put a heavy duty grating.
Yeah.
Heavy duty grating of iron and nickel. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Heavy duty grating here, such that trucks will be able to pass and access into the area of the warehouse. So the heavy duty, why? Because it can withstand the load of what?
Of trucks.
Of heavy vehicles.
All
Yes.
right.
So this culvert, it's no longer of this here now. We just we can maintain it like that or remove it.
Okay.
Yeah, this one, but we'll just maintain. We'll clear it. We'll clear it and cover here with some soil. This gate, you can see it's now old. It's now very old. So we don't want it. We'll remove it and put the new gates. We'll move that gate to this side. Yes. Yeah. So that's what we are going to do. We'll also do drain and culvert clearing. We'll clear the drains. We'll also clear the culverts using the long handle shovels.
Okay.
Those, yes, and this regolith will cut, will load it into our tippers and put them and dump them somewhere.
Okay.
Where slopes are direct, so that we accentuate those slopes. Because Schengen Construction is a responsible construction company to the environment. We will also put another culvert here. So you can now see now that water will be coming up there.
Or from this side?
Yes, from this side. So our inlet here, again, we put because of the V channel, we'll be using, we'll lay the 600 millimeter precast pipe culverts, which are 1.2 meters in length, and the diameter is 600 mm. Then the outlet will be there. Again, we'll put the head walls and the wing walls, and we'll paint the culvert, and we'll put the hazard markers on the culvert. So I think that's the scope of work.
Okay.
Yes, then up there, let's go. That's another entrance. Because we were not cutting down. Some people destroy those musasa trees. They are very good to human life. They sustain the human life. They are very important. They are strong. They live long. So why affecting the musasa trees? Why cutting them off? No.
So just to prune these branches that were affecting your...
Not just pruning, but aesthetic pruning.
Okay.
Yes, aesthetic pruning of the trees. So these are regolith. We will remove it. So this is another entrance.
Okay.
This is another entrance. Yeah, you can see we have dumped gravel here. Then the regolith that is forming this windrow, we will remove later. Because we wanted fast to move and dump gravel here.
All right.
So this one, it's a small job.
Okay.
Yeah, but we don't want this to mix with the what? With the gravel, because it will not give us good results. Because we'll be having CBR tests here.
All right.
Yes, to test the compaction of
So
the soil.
it disturbs the compaction force.
Yes, yeah, this type can't stick together.
With this one.
Yeah, they can't.
Okay.
Yes.
So you're going to put some culverts here?
No, here, because the land is fairly flat, and water can drain easily.
All right.
We'll just have some side drains.
All right.
Yeah, no culvert here.
Okay.
No culvert, because there is no much flow up there.
Okay.
Down there. Because the land is fairly flat and is fairly undulating. Yes, so this, you can see these specs. For road construction, you don't just come and say, I'm constructing the road here. No.
Yeah.
We follow processes. Road construction is a process.
Okay.
It's not an event, it's a process.
All right.
Yes. Surveying, we did the survey of the road. Where are we going to break? You see, they were surveying.
Okay.
And assessing. Seeing how the road will be aligned, how the access road will be joined to the local authority road.
Okay. It's
not an easy task. We're doing calculations here. And also, the setting of these specs, that's setting out of the road. Right? And also, the dump levels. Using a dump level machine to see the level of what?
Of the ground.
Yes.
Okay.
Of the gravel spread but not compacted so far.
We use a machine also?
Yes, we use a machine, a dump machine. It's very unfortunate that you're now coming when it's now gone. We have used it. All right. But I will show you, I will give you pictures of that process.
Okay.
Yes, so that you'll be focusing with the eye. Then you see the dump level, then you mark, because the land is not uniform. Here it's up, but as you go inside, it's what?
It's going down.
It becomes a low-lying area. Then there it's uphill. done here. So we want to compensate so that we give a road surface that is fairly uniform.
Okay.
Fairly uniform but draining. Because we put a camber on the super elevation of the road.
All right.
Yeah, 4% to 6%, so that water can easily drain. Because if the road is left without a camber, that road is dead.
Okay.
From the onset, from the beginning. Yes.
Okay.
A road without a camber, otherwise, let me say, it's not a road.
All right.
Because it will have some potholes, some shoving, some severe damages, especially when water or when the rains comes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So that's what we are going to do here.
All right.
That's what we are going to do here. And you can see also the curvature of the road.
Yeah.
A well-curved road.
Yeah.
Yeah. From inside,
Mm-hmm.
outside, inside.
Mm-hmm.
So
Orutoto lako ulichendesa kuseri.
right, we cannot let a tipper go back empty while we have got this rubble. So it was loading this, but because we have managed to see a dump site closer here, I think the job can also be done even by one tipper.
Thank you so much for joining me as we explore the development that is taking place at MTC Marondera, being done by Shenkyo Construction. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. So let's go back to the city center, Marondera. Thank you so much, and let's meet on our next video.